Oh, my finger. I have cut my finger.
Have you bandaged your finger properly?
Yes, chef.
You take 2 days off, and when you come back, I will teach you how to handle a knife properly. Take care of your finger. Welcome back, Jay. How are you feeling now?
I am fine, chef. Will you teach me how to handle a knife properly?
Okay. So first things first, you already know that you should hold the knife by the handle. The handle is the black part of the knife. Look closely at how the fingers are bent. The bent finger will guide the knife and keep your finger safe as well. Here is another angle of the fingers from the other side. Remember to bend your fingers to keep it safe. So did you learn how to use a knife properly?
Yes, chef, I learned that to keep your finger safe, we have to bend the finger slightly so that the finger is away from the sharp blade of the knife.
Well, I think Jay learned a lesson that he will remember for a long time. Handling a knife properly is very important so that you keep yourself safe.
And yes, do keep learning with me. Join me on my journey as I learn to become a better chef with these kitchen fundamentals. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and visit us for our next video.
Do not forget to visit clarifiedbetter.com to earn a certificate for the courses you complete. If you're interested in hotels, this is a site for you, so do visit clarifiedbetter.com. Take care and bye.